Hi, I'm Marshall McCall. I'm one of the astronomers here at York University. I come originally from Victoria, British Columbia. I did my undergraduate studies at the University of Victoria, but then I went on to graduate studies at the University of Texas at Austin. I've been interested in space and astronomy in particular for most of my life. My earliest memory, in fact, is of my mother taking me out by the hand one night into our backyard to watch Sputnik go by. So I would have been about 5 years old when that happened. I don't actually remember seeing Sputnik, but I sure was excited to actually go outside at night. Well, subsequently, I've become interested in research into galaxies, especially the structure, formation, and evolution of galaxies. In particular, one thing that we do is study gaseous nebulae inside galaxies, which are balls of gas which are glowing as a result of the light from hot stars within them. What you can do with these balls of gas is measure the chemical composition, how much oxygen and nitrogen and sulfur are there. And that tells you about the history of a galaxy, because these chemical elements come primarily from stars. And stars drive the evolution of a galaxy. So when you learn about the chemical composition, you can learn about the history of star formation and the forces which drove a galaxy to become what it is today. Nowadays, when I teach, I'm kind of take a low-tech approach, primarily because I think so much of learning is visual nowadays. And in particular, I try to bring demonstrations into the classroom. Now, you may think that's hard for astronomy, but in fact, you can find me standing in front of a class with test tubes, a beaker, and some Kool-Aid, evolving a galaxy before the students' very eyes. You have to see it to believe it.